all the filming tonight with the Google Pixel 7. Alright, so tonight we're gonna do chicken quesadillas, chicken and cheese quesadillas. So basically, once again, I have this pre-seasoned chicken. I'm gonna saute up a couple serranos. We'll cut the onion for later for putting on the top. So I'm gonna hit this guy with the olive oil.
I wouldn't mind spending the night after we finish dinner.
What?
Now we're just gonna saute up these peppers a little bit. Get them soft so we can add some chicken to it. So like I've explained on a couple other videos, we eat so many tacos and so many things with onions that we usually just keep a full container of white onions ready to go for tacos and other things. So we fill that maybe once or twice a week. Now we have a cilantro green onion mix. So that's our cilantro green onion mix. All right. Let's add the seasoned chicken here. This is just a quick and easy way to feed yourself, whether it's for the game or quick coming home from dinner. If you don't like it spicy, don't put as much pepper in as I did. Alright, we're ready to start building some of these suckers. Put on a little bit of sriracha just for beauty and the beast. Little sriracha never hurt nobody. No sir. there's anything you guys want to see us try, leave a comment. Leave some ideas for us, because we'd love to try whatever you're thinking. Quick, easy, fun, stuff during football, party appetizers, quick dinners, quick and easy, guy food.
Chick food.
Now, if you had some avocados, they'd go good on here. Without a doubt. Just like comfort food. Cheese and chicken and some peppers, and everybody's happy. So just want to thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, if you could give us a subscribe, we'd really appreciate that. Trying to build up to the place where we get monetized, so every little bit helps. And let's thank Brother Paul. My pleasure. I get to eat these treats. He gets better at filming on each one of these. So thank you, Brother Paul. Now, remember, you do you, and I'll do me. Peace out.